at question number 4, people. It's saying solve the equation. So the equation is given by 4y squared minus 8y is equal to 0. Okay? So this equation is called the quadratic equation. Y is called the quadratic equation because the highest power to which y is raised is what? To y. And that's called the quadratic equation. So step number 1, what we are going to do is, for us to solve this one, first we are going to factorize. So in this case, let us first come up with a common factor. So our common factor is what? 4y. Yes. So we're going to say 4y is common. Then open up the brackets. Then you say 4y into 4y squared, you get what? Y. Minus. Then 4y into 8y, you get what? You get 2. Is it? 2 is equal to what? 0. Okay? So what you do here is, so what it means is 4y is equal to 4y is equal to 0, and y minus 2 is equal to 0 as well. So you say 4y is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is also equal to what? 0. Are we together? So solving for y, you're going to say over 4 over 4. These are going to go, y is equal to 4 into 0, get what? 0. Or, in this case, you can correct like terms and say y is equal to what? 0. When you transpose this negative 2 on the other side, you're going to have a positive what? 2. So y is equal to 0 plus 2 is what? 2. So these are the two solutions for what? Y is equal to 0 or y is equal to positive what? 2. Let us look at question number 5, people. So question number 5, it's saying shade A union B complement intersection C on the Venn diagram in the answer space below. Okay, so what we are going to do is, let's try to put maybe some letters, some elements, okay, in these sets. So let's say I've got A, B, let's say C, D, E, F, G, let's say H. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to list first this. Let us first list this so that we can identify the part where we're supposed to shade. Okay? So how are we going to list? So we have A union B complement. Okay, this one. Then we also have what? Set C. Okay, we have set C. Okay, let me say set C. First we are going to see. First, let me come up with this one first. So A union B complement. First, let us list A. Then we are going to list B complement. Complement all together. So let's do this. Okay. So set A means the elements which are found in A. So it's A, B, D, E. So A, B, D, E. These are elements which are found in A. Then B complement. B complement, it simply means elements which are not found in set what? Set B. Elements which are not found in set B. Okay? Which are not found in set B. So these are the elements which are not found in set what? Set B. Are we together? So we are going to say what are these elements? What are these elements? Those which are not found in B are what? A, D, G, and what? H. These are not found in what? In B. Are we together? Now, we can now list this set and say, so this set A union B complement, this one, you combine what is in A and what is in what? B complement. So let's combine. So I've got A, okay? Then I've got what? D. We have what? B. Okay, because there is union A. B, then I've got what? D. Then I've got what? Apart from D, A, B, D, E, okay? We have E. What else? G, and you have what? H. Okay, I'm just combining because there is union. What is found in A and what is found in B complement, right? Because of this union. Okay? So I'm just combining this and this. Are we together? Yes. Then, so A union B complement. and this is the set. Okay, this is the list. Now, we also have C. We also have what? C. So C, what is our C? C, what is our C? Elements which are found in what? Set C. So the elements which are found in set C are D, very good. D, E, F, and what? G. And E, F, and what? G. Okay? Are we together, people? So now our focus is going to be on these two sets. This one and this one. Okay? So remember what is the question saying? The question is saying they want you to shade A union B complement intersection what? Intersection C. Are we together? Okay? So we have how many sets? We have this set and this set, right? So in between the two sets, you have got intersection. Intersection means common elements, right? Which are found in this and this. So which elements are found in A union B complement and C? Which elements are found in this and this? Okay? So then D. Okay? D. What else? E. What else? What else? G. What else? That's all. That's right. Yes. So we are going to shade so the elements which are found in the two sets, which are common are what? D, then E, and what? F. Okay? So we are going to shade whichever region consists of D, E, and F. Right? So why is D? This is our D. This is our D. Where is E? This is our E. Where is F? This is our This is our F. So this is the part we're supposed to what? Shade. Okay. Let us look at the last question, which is question number 6. It's saying a company declared a dividend of 2 quarter 75 ingwe per share. 2 quarter 75 ingwe per what? Per share. Now, a businessman invested 560 shares in the company. How much dividend did he get? Are we moving together, people? So a company declared a dividend of 2 quarter 75 ingwe per share. Right? So if you have got 1 share, you're going to be given 2 quarter 75 ingwe. But a businessman had how many shares? 560 shares. So how much dividend did he get from this amount? So from that quantity of what? Shares. So we're going to say, since we are told to say 1 share, someone who has 1 share, 1 share is equal to how much? 2 quarter, yes. 2 quarter 75 ingwe. Now this businessman had how many shares? 560 what? Shares. Okay? So we want to know the dividend is going to get for this quantity of shares, right? So we're going to say X. Are we together, people? So these are going to go. They are going to close what? Multiply 1 times X, you get what? You get X is equal to 560 times 2 quarter 75 what? Are we together? So now we're going to multiply these two. 560 times 2 quarter 75 what? So X is equal to, so here what you are going to do is, since you guys are not allowed to use calculators, to make our work easier, we are going to consider this number as a whole number, instead of taking this number as a decimal. Right? So taking this number as a whole number, we are going to ignore this decimal place, this decimal point. Right? So if we ignore this decimal point, it's like we've ignored 2 decimal places. Right? We are going to ignore 2 decimal places and consider this number as a whole number. So we are going to have 560 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 270, 275. So let's multiply and see what we're going to get. So 560 multiplied by 270 what? 75. And see what we're going to get. So what is 5 times 0? You get a 0. 5 times 6 you get 13. So that you're going to write 3 carry 0 carry what? 3. 5 times 6 is 13. So write 0 carry 3. Then know know 5 times 5 is what? 25. 25 plus 3, what do you get?
26.
You're going to have 28. Okay? Then you can proceed and say, look at this one. What is 7 times 5 people? 7 times 0, sorry. 7 times 0 gets 0. 0. Then what is 7 times 6? What do you get?
42.
42, yes. So we're going to write what? 2. Carry forward what? Is it 4? Carry forward 4. Then 5 times 7 is what? 85.
55.
Right. 5 times 7 is 35. What is 35 plus 4?
39.
You get what?
89.
39. You're going to get 39. 39. Then 0. 2 times 0. 2 times 0 get what? You get 0. Then 2 times 6 you get what? 12. So you're going to write 2 carry 1. Then 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, we're going to have 11. Then what are we going to do? We're going to add this. Let's add this. Okay? So what are we going to have? 0 plus 0 plus 0, you get 0. This plus this plus this, 0. Then what is 8 plus 2? 2 plus 8 is what? You get 10, right? So you're going to write what? 0, carry forward 1. Are we together? What is 2 plus 9?
2 plus 9.
You get 11, is it? 2 plus 9? 11. 11 plus 2?
13.
13 plus 1? 14. So you're going to write 4, carry forward 1. 1. Are we together? Then 1 plus 3? 4 plus 1? 5. Then you have got 1 this side down. Okay? So now we're going to say our x is equal to, if not, now in this case, remember, we had to ignore this number at how many decimal places? 1, 2. So we're going to take the 2 decimal places back, right? Okay? So we're going to start from this side, right? Okay? 1, 2. And we are going to knock out this, right? Yes, so our answer is what? 1,500 what? 40 kwacha. So it's going to get 1,540 kwacha for 560 shares. So this is the way you answer.
Dida kina space ya pen na nakufurahi sura dida kinako
David na hao kusheki.
eh